What's up Sushi Rice family? Namaste and greeting from Sushi Man Santosh. Today in this video I'm gonna teach you, I'm gonna show you a rainbow dragon sushi roll. So it will be really beautiful and I'm pretty sure it will be really delicious. Let's go. First of all, I have here the Nori seaweed. As I told you before, seaweed always have the rough side and shiny side. That is the half seaweed, that is the full seaweed. I cut it in the middle. First of all, I'm gonna use here a little bit mayonnaise. So sushi rice can't be sticky with my gloves. I'm gonna place the sushi rice. If you feel you have the little bit less rice, you can put more rice here. Softly and gently place the sushi rice. Now let's flip it, because I'm going to make the inside out sushi roll. Seems like a California sushi roll. Now I'm going to use inside the sushi roll cucumber. And that's the cooked ebi. If you don't know how to cook ebi for sushi, you can check link on my description box. I'm putting there. Then definitely, as you know, I am the avocado lover. Take the skins and cut in the middle. Clean your knife and let's put here. Then I'm gonna use seabream also a little bit. Close it. For the sushi rolling techniques, as I told you before many times in the other video also, take out bamboo mat. Now I'm going to roll it softly and gently. Then I'll roll it again. And to make sushi rolls perfect shape, some people are rolling like this, but that is the perfect techniques. Okay, 3 finger will go here, thumb finger that side like this, and this point finger should be here to make the perfect shape and give the just little bit, seems like a massage. Yes. Okay, my sushi roll is ready. Now I'm going to cut the seabream neta to put on top of the sushi roll. Okay. I'll put here. Then I have here the salmons. Also we can put the shrimp. Also you can use the avocado. Also I have here the pickled red daikon. Give this a squeeze to make the perfect shape. Give the squeeze without plastic bamboo mat. Now let's cut it. Make your weighty knife with water. Then once more again, give the squeeze. Okay, nice, perfect. And take out the plastic very softly and gently. Nice. It's time to do the plating. For the topping, I love to use black tobiko and red tobiko. that's it. This is our rainbow sushi roll. I hope you're gonna like it. How is it? If you really like this video, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos about sushi. Thank you so much. Have a good day.